So it is very warm welcome to BTech first year students. So welcome back to Master Academy of Mathematics. This is Dr. Srinivas. So I'm just focusing the paper pattern of your Mathematics 1, which is for BTech first year first semester under JNTU Hyderabad. And remember, there are two different patterns, before COVID and COVID. So at present, the university is going to conduct in COVID pattern. COVID pattern is different from pre-COVID. So in COVID pattern, overall 75 marks as it is, but here the pattern is out of 8 questions you are going to answer only 5. Each one is going to carry 15 marks. You just look onto a paper which was conducted in October November 2020 in COVID season. So it is overall it consisting of 8 questions, overall 8, and you are going to answer only 5. Now the problem is when you look onto the different problems corresponding to the units, the first problem it is from matrices first unit. Second problem is also belonging to matrices system of equations. Third problem it is eigenvalues, it is from second unit. And fourth problem it is Cayley Hamilton theorem, it is also belonging to fourth, that second unit. So overall 4 problems here it is given, from each unit 2 problems. So matrices first unit 2, second unit 2. And coming to fifth one, it is sequence and series third unit. Even sixth problem is also from sequence and series. So from third unit, you are expecting 2 problems with A and B. And seventh, it is from calculus part. And eighth one, it is from multivariable calculus. It is from fifth unit. So very clear instructions are from first 3 units, matrices, first unit, second unit, and third one sequence and series, you are expecting from each unit 2 problems, whereas fourth and fifth units you are expecting only one. So be careful while selecting the chapters, and thorough preparation, definitely you are going to get maximum marks. This is the pattern in COVID. And when you look on to the pre-COVID, that means this was conducted in December 2018. There will be two different parts, part A and part B. Part A, it is short answers type, 25 marks, and part B, it is long answer type, 50 marks. So in part A, from each unit, you are expecting two short answers. One is for 2 marks and another is for 3 marks. So every unit 5 marks for short answers. So overall 5 units, definitely you are going to get 5 into 5 units, 25 marks. But when you look onto the part B, from every unit you will be having one long answer, each is going to carry 10 marks. So 5 units, 10 into 5, totally 50 marks. So once again, I just show you the paper. It is pre-COVID paper. Better you look onto the pattern so that you can have an idea. Short answers type, overall they are going to give you 10, from each unit 2, and part B, from each unit only 1, with internal choice AB or another question AB. ప్రతి యూనిట్లో నుంచి ఒకటి వస్తుంది లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఇది ప్రీ కోవిడ్ ఇది. బట్ యూ జస్ట్ లుక్ ఆన్ టు ద ప్రొసీజర్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఐడియా. And even there is one more paper conducted in May June 2019. It is also pre-COVID paper, part A and part B. So short answers type same, and part B it is long answer type. So my sincere suggestion is, once you look onto these 3 papers, definitely you are going to expect the same type of questions in the coming semester examination. So once again, I just show you the paper pattern. This is COVID pattern. You just look onto the problems. Very simple. From the first 3 units, you are expecting 2 problems. Fourth and fifth units, only one problem each. So you prepare these 3 papers, enough. Maximum you will get the score. Need not be the same problems, but similar type of problems. Answer the questions in a systematic manner without any overwriting and cancellations. It should be very neat and systematic. Whenever questions consisting of A and B, write down at one place A and B and answer it so that you will get maximum marks. A at one side and B at another side. Whenever you are writing even A bit or B bit also, better you write down question number also, because every question is having A and B bits. Okay, so these are the different problems. So just you go through these 3 papers and definitely prepare well, and you will get a maximum score in mathematics 1. So I am wishing you all the best, and try to do the hard work because time is very less. So maximum you can score it. Okay, right.